Good morning, we're here at the base of Azusa Canyon Highway. I'm here with Mark with his 2020 Lowrider S. I got some questions about the Stage 2.
This is the Bassani Road Rage 3.
Did you get this before your Stage 2 cams? Or you
I
got
did.
all...
So when I got the bike, a few months later, my friend Charlie got his bike, and the first thing he changed was the exhaust. Everyone's talking about the Lowrider S sounding like a sewing machine.
Yeah.
So I was so obsessed in changing that. I got the exhaust, got the FP3, got louder, but the sewing machine sound is still there. And I'm like, took out the baffle.
Okay.
I was hoping it would solve it, and it didn't. It just made it louder. It made it like a louder sewing machine. I asked around, like, you look at YouTube videos and, you hear this, and it's the cams. That's why I decided to get cams.
Okay.
For the sound.
We'll turn on in a bit, but it does sound like a little more deep.
Sound-wise, I think I like the skipping sound, or like the lope. It has a different lope. It goes dug 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 dug.
What kind of cams did you get?
I got the Diamond Bar Choppers 475.
475?
Yeah, he calls it 475, but he said it's actually a 480 lift. Definitely feels a little bit faster, and it responds a little earlier. The dyno numbers, I think the torque went up to 117 and then horsepower to 110. When you get to I think 25 to 3,000, you really feel it.
Ready for the ride?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm excited to test out these tires. Yeah man, it feels way different. I guess my front tire was really worn out, where it's like it wasn't round anymore, it was more flat,
Yeah. I mean, if you're getting it for free,
I do have to pay for installation still, but that's not bad. It leans over too much. Woo! So you've taken a few Moto Jitsu classes.
I took an intermediate riding class, but I did not know that he was gonna be the instructor, and I was like, oh shit, it's you.
That's pretty dope. So you probably learned a lot, I'm sure.
I learned more on his videos, because when I got my R3, the first maybe 300-400 miles, I was just practicing in a parking lot.
That's pretty cool that he lives in San Diego.
Yeah. Oh, and the cool thing he was doing before, he would do a one-on-one, this type of corners, and then he'll follow you, and then you'll follow him, and in the third run, he gets you as a passenger. So, and then he's like, okay, I want to show you how it feels like what your bike's capable of. And oh my god, dude, we were going into the turns like these, 90 miles an hour, and then braking hard, trail braking.
Damn.
And then accelerating. Oh my god, man. So after that, I was like, you just realize what these bikes are capable of doing.
Man, dude, Monday morning is the best time to come.
Are you excited on your Sedona trip?
Oh yeah, dude. I'm just hoping it doesn't get too cold. So like I've been trying to get all the gear right. I need to get like a rain suit to block the rain in case it rains or if it gets really windy, you know? But yeah, I'm excited, dude. Freaking get off of work for a week and hit the road.
It's a little colder today compared to a couple weeks ago. I didn't even tell my wife. Mina was like, "Where are you going?" I was like, "We're gonna ride with Tim and Ralph."
No better way to start the morning.
No, cause like when I'm off, she'd like think about something that she can ask me to do. I was like, "What the heck, dude? I can't wait till she feels comfortable riding this canyon."
Yeah, I got to do more of this canyon riding to wear my tires better because the freeway riding just destroys these tires, man.
That's why you had that flat profile, because you do a lot of freeway riding.
Yeah, that's mainly what I do, and these tires are really soft. It's like on the freeway, they get worn out. No, that's a cool spot. Yeah, this is sick. Alright guys, we're going to talk about Ralph's bike for a little bit. It's a really cool bobber style.
Either you stop on a location and you appreciate it or not. You appreciate the ride itself or the location.
It's a little bit of both, right?
Because for me, having a bike itself, personally, I have to focus. I have to focus on the roads.
You can't look around too much.
You can't look around too much. Either we stop on a certain location, you appreciate it.
This is your first motorcycle right here?
First motorcycle.
Nice, man. So then you went straight to, was it always like this or did you have to do some modifications?
I did a lot of modifications. I like tinkering, that's the thing. This is a Kawasaki Vulcan 800 Drifter. The original look of this bike is basically an Indian looking bike. It has like massive fenders front and back. It has like I don't know how you call it, like a cow looking horn. Like that, you sit like this, like
right.
Super comfy type of like cruiser bike. I've been in love with the old school retro bobber look, which for me is simpler looking.
I love the look. I love it, dude.
It just gives you the rawness of having a motorcycle. Yeah, I took everything apart, basically, from front fenders, rear fenders, the seats. I did a lot of custom stuff on it.
Thanks, Ralph. Tell us about your bike, man.
No problem.
For some breakfast. Got some rocks, bro. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, dude, it's a swoopy turn. Nice, it looks open today. Oh, thank goodness. Ooh, it's crispy out here, guys. So we just made it to the Crystal Lake Cafe. This time it's open. Last time we came it wasn't open and we were starving up here, so Mark went inside, about to get some breakfast burritos. These new tires are doing amazing up here. First time breaking them in. Definitely leans into the turns a lot easier.
6 cold cases in this one. All the police, everything, and 2 doors and camera and thing. Hunger Game, they make it by the wood there.
Hunger Game?
Was no wood, the second one. But this year I don't see anybody because the corona.
It's a famous location.
Yeah, thank you.
Very cool.
This is our house, you know. Yeah, go look around. It's a big place, you know. Yeah,
Nice.
This is
So your property line is from there,
see the fence?
going here.
Fence all the way down.
I see.
Yeah,
That's nice.
When
And
did you
see
build
the-
this?
Go see the setup. Just bring your meat and start barbecue.
When did you build this?
I don't know. This is what.
Alright guys, well thanks for joining us on this ride. We're about to get out of here now and enjoy the ride down. So see you on the bike. Peace.
Thank you guys.
Have a good one. It's a little foggy up here. Another good ride. Glad I came out today. I'm liking the downhill. Yeah. Get a coast through the turns. Azusa Canyon used to be really difficult, but it's gotten a lot better. Ralph, thanks for coming out again, dude.
Yeah, definitely.
That was good. I'll get something from there for sure. Thank you.
All right, man.
All right, brother. I gotta roll. Get home safe, right? All right, brother. All right, guys. I gotta get to work now. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining in. And thank you to Mark for talking about his stage 2 and his cams. Another fun ride up here. You guys were asking about his upgrades, so yeah, had a lot of fun. And Ralph also shared his story and his motorcycle, and overall solid day. Good way to start the day. Now it's time to get to work. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, ride safe. Peace. Woo! Oh yeah, this feels like that raw chopper vibe, you know? I see what he means by the gears. It needs more power. This is actually really a really comfortable ride. Ooh, we got some snow here. Nice. This is really cool. I've never ridden like a Kawasaki chopper before. Love the handlebars. Love these footrests, and I love how raw the bike feels. Hear that? It just sounds so nice. Man, this is awesome.